Pew! Pew! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Dave. This is my 2004 C5 Corvette. So if you're into Corvette content, especially C5 content, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Now, I know in one of my last videos I said that that video was going to be my last LED upgrade. Well, I lied. They came out with these LED side markers that are just a straight line of LEDs that look pretty cool. So I've seen a bunch of people post it up on Instagram. There's a few online vendors that sell them. I got these off eBay. I will leave a link down in the description below on where I got these. But these are pretty simple, self-explanatory. They go right in there. So let's get into removing the existing one and putting the new one in. So the first step is pretty simple. You just have to remove your outside tail light. If you're doing the left side, obviously you move the left side all the way on the left. And if you're doing the right side, you remove the light that's all the way on the right. Alright, so now with that out of the way, we can get into removing the nuts that are on the back of the side marker. So to get the side marker off, you're gonna have to remove those two nuts that are on the back of the light there. Those are 7/16. I'm just gonna use a socket and your choice of wrench in order to get that off. You know, you're not gonna be able to actually see what you're doing. You're just gonna have to use your fingers in order to get in there, but it's doable. It takes a little bit of time, so I'm not gonna bore you with how long that takes, but it does take a little bit of time to get that out. So there was two of these little nut things that are on the back of these 7/16. They're a little bit of a pain in the butt to get, but you are able to get to them. So you just pull this out, you twist the old bulb out, this goes away. If you remember in one of my previous videos, I changed these to LED. So now I can take that out, and now I go ahead and I grab the new light. This is, I don't know if these are polarity sensitive or not, so let's just plug it in this way, see what happens. Get the remote. There you go. So they light up. Let's see if it matters which way I put this in. It does not matter, so I guess it's not polarity sensitive, so either way these can go in. Now, one thing to be mindful of is that these posts are not threaded, so this nut like thing, I don't even know what the actual term of this is going to make the threads once you start turning this on. Now this light looks exactly like the same light that other vendors are selling online for like $90. eBay 60 bucks. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description. I'll buy everything that I put on the car, and obviously I'm looking for the best price, but I don't want to sacrifice product for price. In this case, you're not. This is exactly the same light that other vendors are selling online for, like I said, about $30 more. So the new nuts are threaded on. It was actually really easy to thread those on, maybe because now I finally got the technique down. But it was a lot easier putting these on than getting them off. So they're on, they're fully on. These, you know, this light is not loose in any way, so it's on there pretty good. Obviously, repeat that to the other side, and you're done. Obviously, that's what they look like. They're a nice solid beam of LEDs all the way across, which is pretty cool. Let me just show you what the stock ones look like. And there's the stock ones, just one single bulb. So these do look really nice. And you can get these tinted or clear. I went with the tinted because that's what I had before, and I think that looks good with the overall color and scheme that I'm going with. Obviously, your personal preference whether you get tinted or clear. Well, let's cut to some nighttime stuff so you can see what these look like at night. So here's what the LED side markers look like at night. Again, nice. Pretty much like almost like a laser beam. So, and then let's go check out what the stock ones look like. Again, just that single bulb. So I believe it looks really, really well with the halo taillights that I currently have. And again, there they are. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. This was just a quick tutorial on how to put these new side marker lights in that I got off eBay. Again, there's a few online vendors that sell them. I got these on eBay. Again, link down in the description. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.